Because the PPO systems use near-infrared spectroscopy, the type of illumination selected for the system are halogen lamps. Halogen lamps were selected because they emit a continuous spectrum, which means there are no breaks or missing wavelengths within the emission range. They also emit in both the visible and the near-infrared range, which are both necessary to give us the best possible data. PPO designs and builds halogen lamps in-house. They are specially designed to be interchangeable, easy to maintain, as well as repair. Multiple design features have been selected to ensure that the lamps are easy to align while minimizing the risk of the lamps becoming misaligned over time. So here I'm holding a partial lamp assembly where you can see the lamp internals. It's just missing the front cover and the back cover. But here you can clearly see both the reflector and the bulb. So the reflector shape was designed to allow for high alignment tolerances. And the bulb location is actually adjustable. So during lamp assembly, the bulbs are aligned so all lamps have identical lighting profiles. So here we have an example of a fully assembled lamp with the window assembly and the back cover installed. The window type was selected because it has a high transmission, both the visible and the near infrared range. The lamps were also designed to be washdown rated. Because these halogen lamps reach high temperatures during operations, the window material was selected to withstand the thermal shock and minimize the risk of cracking if the system is washed down right after it's turned off. Finally, the lamps have also been designed to make bulb changes as easy as possible. The window assembly can be removed from the back cover and the reflector assembly by removing the 4 screws from these threaded holes. And then the bulb becomes easily accessible and can be swapped. It's worth noting that the bulb change will not affect the bulb alignment, so swapping one bulb for another will result in the same identical lighting profile. Once the lamps are fully assembled, they're ready to be put on the system, and once that's done, your illumination for the system is ready to go.